Panchayati Raj has taken democracy to the grassroots level. So, with the help of Panchayati Raj, that is three-tier system, it helps to implement the democracy at the grassroots level, that is at the lower level. It has made possible for people living even in a remote villages to participate in the affair of the government. So, with the help of Panchayati Raj system, it gives the people who are living at the remote villages to participate in order to elect their representative. As local people are in power at the various level of the panchayat, they are able to understand the problem faced by the people better and are in a better position to solve them efficiently. So as the local people who are living at the grassroots level, they have the power so that they can understand the problem of the people who are living in their problem, and they can implement the different types of measure through which their problem can be solved. As a result of the Panchayati Raj, even a poor literate person in a village is aware of his political rights and feels strengthened with a sense of power. So, as because of the Panchayati Raj system, even the poor illiterate person, that means who cannot read and write at a village level, they get the awareness about his or her political rights and feel strengthened. That is, they feel power in with the sense of power because they have the power to elect their representative at the grassroots level. Next is participation of women in the Panchayati Raj. Women are increasingly participating in the Panchayati Raj system. There are members of the Gram Sabha. Many women want to contest panchayat election, while many areas have women sarpanch, some even have a all women panchayat. So with the help of Panchayati Raj system, women, they have finally they have got their you can say position in the political way, or you can say finally they have got their political rights. So women are increasingly participating in the Panchayati Raj system. They are the member of the Gram Sabha. Even they also participate in the panchayat election, and some women are the sarpanch. In a significant way, the government has reserved 50% of all the seats in the Panchayati Raj for women. So, in our Indian Constitution, 50% of the seats are reserved for the women at the panchayat level. As a result, women are able to play a bigger role in the panchayat. So, as they got the reservation system, finally, the women, they are playing a very bigger role at the panchayat level. More participation of women would meant better management of funds and better approach towards project and issues such as sanitation, education of girls, domestic violence, alcohol, addiction. Okay, so with the help of Panchayati Raj system, more women are participating, so that and they are helping in managing the funds which are given by the state government, and they have a better way to approach towards the projects such as related to sanitation, education for women, domestic violence, and alcohol de-addiction. So here is a woman punch at an opening house meeting. She is the sarpanch. Last topic of the chapter, Panchayati Raj, a brief historical overview. In January 1957, a committee was set up by the Government of India under the prominent social activist and freedom fighter Balwant Rai Mehta to examine the functioning of the Community Development Program 1952 and the National Extension Service 1953 and recommended ways to improve them. So in the year 1957, a committee was set up by the Indian government under the activist and freedom fighter known as Balwant Rai Mehta, okay, to examine the function of these two committee and recommend to improve their functions. The committee, better known as Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, presented a roadmap for implementing the scheme of democratic decentralization that finally came to be known as Panchayati Raj system. So finally, with the help of Balwant Rai Mehta, they have recommended show a path so that they can implement a democratic decentralization that is popularly known as Panchayati Raj system in our Indian Constitution. The committee proposed the establishment of three-tier Panchayati Raj system, that is Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and the Zila Parishad at the district level. So it was the Balwant Rai Mehta committee who have recommended about the three-tier Panchayati Raj system in our Indian Constitution. The recommendation of the committee was approved by the National Development Council, that is NDC, in January 1958. So finally, the recommendation of the Balwant Rai Mehta committee was approved by the National Development Council in the year 1958. This system was adopted by the state government during the 1950s and 60s as laws were passed to establish panchayat in various levels. So this system was adopted by the state government during the 1950s and 1960s, and these laws were passed at the village level in order to establish a panchayat at various states. It also found backing in the Indian Constitution with the 73rd Amendment in 1992 to accommodate the idea. So it also found a way in the Indian Constitution with the 73rd Amendment Act in 1992 in order to implement this idea in our Indian Constitution.